Examples of how data science can support strategy are everywhere. Peloton was in a lot of trouble with their legacy business model, but very recently they transformed from being dependent upon hardware, which isn't a business model that supports recurring revenue, to being focused on monetizing software and creating a subscription pricing model that will drive recurring revenue. So that's outstanding. And it opens up a lot of opportunity for data scientists to help out with the strategy process and to provide data to support senior leadership. Because think about it, once you go to a subscription business model, once your focus is on selling software, you're gathering data from new sources that you didn't have access to before. And one of the things that they've already done is use data to figure out that there's a threat to this new business model, and that is the reliance on trainers. So what did they do in response? Well, they've introduced a new feature called Lane Break, which is essentially a game. On the bike, you're playing a video game, and that game is encouraging you to ride and hit your fitness goals. It is something that they've been working on for over 6 months. They put it on the shelf, but now I'm betting some data showed them, hey, this could not only drive engagement, but it could also secure the business model from a major threat, because games are going to reduce their reliance on instructors. It's going to drive the cost of content down, which is excellent. They're protecting their new business model. What it's also going to do is impact engagement. Now, what the data science team can do is start measuring engagement, doing A/B testing, looking at the behavior of users who do play games versus the behavior of users who do not. What is their engagement like? Does it go up? They're also looking at people who are disengaged. Do they come back to the bike to play games? Do they, once they play a game, become engaged again? Are they engaged subscribers? Are they preventing churn with these games? Both are ways that data scientists can help support and maybe sometimes even prove out a new business model. Think about subscribers long term. In order to support this new digital business model, data scientists are going to have to create behavioral models to model everything from engagement to all of the different types of KPIs that Peloton is going to have to implement to manage a subscription business. Now, it's not all good news. So there's still areas for improvement and places data scientists can continue to add value for Peloton. First, this feature was not really put front and center in front of users in the user interface. It was hidden. It was hard to find. And it's only through press coverage that people have begun to discover these games. That makes you wonder exactly how bought in is senior leadership on this new business model. How comfortable are they making decisions based on data? Are they really sold? The way this is rolled out makes me wonder. Now, also, it was incomplete. It doesn't have the personalization that a lot of their instructor-led classes have. So you wonder if this feature was rushed out and poorly planned, or if this was for some reason intentional. Again, that's a red flag. It's something to worry about. It makes you wonder exactly how bought in senior leaders are. But hopefully, Peloton will be able to, in the very near future, start using data to drive their product development and new feature development.